Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to see or track previous sprint history in Jira. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the specific Jira project you want to review. This is important because each project contains its own sprint data, and you'll want to make sure you're in the correct one. Once inside your chosen project there, you'll find a Reports tab. Click on it. This section gives you access to Jira's various analytical tools and insights designed to help you evaluate project performance. After clicking on Reports, you'll see a list of report options. Scroll down until you find the Sprint Burndown chart. Click on the Sprint Burndown chart to open it, and Jira will display a detailed view showing your sprint performance analytics. Now, look for a drop-down menu labeled Sprint near the top of the page. This drop-down contains a list of all the sprints conducted within that project, including both current and past ones. Click on it to reveal the list. Here you'll find a full archive of previous sprints. Browse through them and select the specific sprint you want to review. Once you've chosen a sprint, Jira will display detailed information about it, including completed user stories, tasks, and overall team performance during that sprint. And that's it. So that is how you can see or track previous sprint history in Jira. So that's all for this video. Thanks.